Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Marchantia. As you know, Marchantia is the member of bryophytes. So Marchantia is a genus of bryophyte. They are liverworts and found in moist and shady places. They lay through root, stems and leaves. The plant body is called thalloid. Thallus means that plant body which cannot be differentiated into root, stem and leaf. That is called thallus. Bryophytes are known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom as they require water to reproduce sexually and complete their life cycle. Marchantia reproduce asexually as well as sexually. The life cycle is haplodiploidic and the haploid gametophyte is the dominant phase. The diploid sporophyte is short-lived and dependent on the gametophyte. Classification. Before it, you have to know largest bryophyte is Dawsonia and smallest bryophyte is Zoopsis. So division is Bryophyta, class Hepaticopsida, order Marchantiales, family Marchantiaceae, genus is Marchantia. The genus Marchantia contains around 65 species. They are present in moist and shady places all over the world. Some of the examples are Marchantia polymorpha, Marchantia beltedona, Marchantia palmata, Nepalensis, etc. The reproductive bodies are present on the dorsal surface, and as you know, rhizoids are found on the ventral surface. They bear a cup-shaped structure called gamete for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproductive organs are born on the stalk. These are called anthridiophore and archigoniophore, respectively. They contain male and female reproductive organs called antheridia and archigonia. This is the VTS. The upper epidermis consists of air pore which open in the air chamber present in the photosynthetic zone. The upper epidermis also contains few chloroplasts beneath the air chamber, and photosynthetic zone lies the storage zone. It lacks chloroplast and is made up of parenchyma cells. They store protein, starch, oil and mucilage. The rhizoids and scales are extended from the lower epidermis. So asexual reproduction in Marchantia is by fragmentation or by forming a specialized structure known as gamete. They reproduce asexually by gamete, which are asexual buds. They are formed in the receptacle known as gamma cups. You can see this in the diagram. Gamma cups are present on the dorsal surface near the midrib of the gametophytic thalli. Gamete are multicellular and green in color. Gamete detach from the parent plant and germinate to give rise to the new plant body. Sexual reproduction. Marchantia is dioecious. Male and female sex organs develop on different thalli. Male reproductive organ is antheridia and the female reproductive organ is called archigonia. You can see this in the figure. This is antheridia and this one is archigonia, and archigonia is flask-shaped. They are born on the mature gametophyte and are erect and modified stalk known as anthridiophore and archigoniophore respectively. So antherozoids are produced in the antheridium. They are biflagellated and produced from the androcytes. The archigonium is a flask-shaped structure. It consists of several neck canal cells, a ventral canal cell, and an egg cell. Fertilization. They need water for fertilization, like other bryophytes. The neck canal cells and the ventral canal cells disintegrate and form a mucilaginous mass, which oozes out as the archegonia swells after absorbing water. It consists of chemical substances which triggers the chemotactic response. The enterozoites get attracted and swim towards archegonia. One of the enterozoites fuses with egg and fertilization takes place. The male and female nuclei fuse together to form a diploid cell. This is known as zygote. Sporophyte. The diploid zygote does not undergo meiosis or reduction division immediately. It rather divides mitotically and develop into a multicellular structure called the sporophyte. The sporophyte is differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. It is not the free living stage. It is dependent on the gametophyte for nourishment. Some of the cells of sporogenous tissue called spore mother cells, these are diploid, divide meiotically to produce haploid spores. These haploid spores are released by the dehiscence of the capsule. Under favorable conditions, they germinate to form the new haploid plant or gametophyte. This is the structure of sporophyte. You can see here foot, seta and capsule clearly. Thank you very much. We will meet soon in our next lecture.